happy and light. Hey kids, look at this picture. It is squirrel and it is rabbit. They are walking with their bags. Squirrel has a heavy bag, while the rabbit has a light bag, heavy and light. Look at the Jumbo and the rabbit are sitting on the seesaw. Hey kids, you can see that the rabbit is up in the air, while the Jumbo is near the ground. Kids, do you know why? Jumbo is heavy, while the rabbit is light. The rabbit is up in the air because it's light, while the Jumbo is heavy, so he is near the ground. Okay, now we are going to answer this question. Which one is heavy, the silver or the paper?
Okay, good. The answer is sofa.
Now, which one is light, the lid or the bottle? Good job, the lid. Okay, now there is some objects under the box. You have to put the objects according to the groups. Which one is light and which one is heavy. So, are you ready, kids? Okay, let's starting. Okay, good job! Hi kids! Have you ever seen these things? What is it?
Because I've ever seen that one. Aha! I saw that one on the market. Usually sellers use the object to weigh food.
This is correct, Jason. That is a balance scale. We use a balance scale to compare the weight of two objects. Let's see the example. I put the potatoes in this pan. Then, I put the watermelon in another pan. The pan with the watermelon went down, and the pan with the potatoes went up. The pan with the heavy objects always goes down, and the pan with the light object always goes up. The watermelon is heavier than the potatoes, or we can say that the potatoes is lighter than the watermelon. Next question. I put the toaster in this pan. Then, I put the radio in another pan. You can see the mass of the things are equal. We can say the radio is as heavy as the toaster. Find these things around your house. There are notebook, table, and pencil. Let's answer this question. Number 1. Which object is heaviest? Yes, table. That's right. Which object is the lightest? Yes, pencil. Now, arrange the objects from lightest to heaviest. S from pencil, math book, and the last table.
Let's continue lesson 2, finding the masses of things. Now, look at the example. What are the sides in the same position? Can you see this? Yes. The mass of the things are equal. The mass of the things are equal. Or we can say as heavy as. So, the mug is as heavy as about 10 marbles. Or you can also say that the mass of the mug is about 10 marbles. Now, let's see these pictures to complete the sentence below here. Look at one by one of the balance. There are 3 balance with the things in the balance. Now, let's complete part A. The mass of bag is about. Okay, look the bag A. And how many the marbles? 2. Yes, 1, 2. So, the mass of bag A is about 2 marbles. Next, part B. Bag B is as heavy as about. Okay, look at the bag B here. And how many marbles here? 3. 1, 2, 3. So, the bag B is as heavy as about 3 marbles. Next, part C. Which is the lightest bag? Which is the lightest bag? Okay, look at the 3 balance. Bag A, 2 marbles. Bag B, 3 marbles. And bag C, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bag C is 5 marbles. So, which one the lightest? The lightest means the numbers is the smallest. Which one the smallest number? 2, 3, or 5? Yes? 2. So, the lightest bag is bag A. You can write in the green box here, it is bag A. Okay? Okay, next, part D. Which is the heaviest bag? The heaviest bag means the numbers is the greatest. So, which one the greatest number here? 2, or 3, or 5? What's the greatest number? 5. Yes, that's right, 5. So, 5 is bag C. So, the heaviest bag is bag C. You can write in the green box here, it is bag C. Okay, kids? Sentence E. Bag C is heavier than bag B. Bag C is heavier than bag B. It is because bag C has 5 marbles and bag B 3 marbles. Or you can say bag B is heavier than bag A. Okay. Next, the last one. Bag A is lighter than bag B. Bag A is lighter than bag B. 2 and 3. 2 is smaller than 3. Or you can also say that bag B is lighter than bag C. 3 is smaller than 5. Or you can also say that bag A is lighter than bag C. 2 is smaller than 5. Okay? Okay kids, let's continue the lesson 3, finding mass in units. In the previous video, we have learned about finding the masses of things. You have known how to find the heaviest and the lightest of the things, which things is heavier or lighter, or which things have the same mass. Now, we will continue about finding mass in units. In this video, we will use the marble and the connecting cube to find the mass of the things like an apple, orange, eraser, or book. Okay students, now let's starting. Pay attention to your textbook page 169. We start from number 1. In number 1, one marble stands for 1 unit. The mass of the apple is how many mass? Now let's counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 marbles. We have to remember that 1 marble stands for 1 unit. It means 4 marbles same with 4 units. So now we can find that the mass of the apple is about 4 units. Now let's continue the next number 2. In this question, we use the connecting cube to find the mass of apple. 1 connecting cube stands for 1 unit. Now let's find how many connecting cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 connecting cubes. It means the mass of the same apple is about 7 units. Now let's answer this question. Why is the number of units different? Because a connecting cube is lighter than a marble, so we need more connecting cubes than marbles. Now let's open the textbook page 170. Number 3. We are going to find the masses of orange, eraser, and book. But you have to remember that 1 connecting cube stands for 1 unit. Now let us start from part A. What is the mass of the orange? Let us counting. This is orange. Let us counting the connecting cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The mass of orange is 9 units. You can write here. Next, part B. What is the mass of the eraser? This is the eraser. How many the connecting cubes here? Let's counting. 1, 2, 3. It means the mass of eraser is 3 units. Next, part C. What is the mass of the book? This is the book. So how many the connecting cubes here? Let's counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It means the mass of the book is 11 units. Next, I will help you to compare these three things by writing the units. It is 9. It is 3. And it is 11. For the orange is 9 units. For the eraser is 3 units. And for the book is 11 units. Among the three things, we can see which is heaviest and which is lightest. The more units, the more heavy the things. Now, let's answer part D. Which is the heaviest? Among these three things, we can find that the book is the heaviest, 11 units. The book. Next, part E. Which is the lightest? Among the three things, we can see that the lightest is the eraser. Is 3 units. So you can write here in the green box the eraser. The last question. Arrange them in order, begin with the heaviest. So we can arrange these things from the heaviest. We start from the book. Is the heaviest with 11 units. The next is the orange with 9 units. And the last one is eraser with 3 units. Okay kids,